Here with Janet in Aruba, Oranjestad, Aruba, and we're at the local market. You can see the ships behind me. That's the port gates right there. And we're gonna just take a little quick stroll through here. You might want to come shopping here. Down the street, there's a lot of shopping to be had, but I'm thinking the bargains are right here, right? The bargains. And I'm going to keep this low because there's a roof and it's raining. Only slightly, but it is raining. So be careful which way you aim your device. You might have to look at my ugly face. Aruba. So yeah, we're on the island of Aruba. And the capital is Oranjestad or Orangestad. And that's where we are, Orangestad. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it's dark in here, isn't it? Colored turtles and shot glasses and stuffed lizards. Thought they were worms, but I think they're supposed to. There's a lot of iguanas on the island, right? So we're gonna walk out to the street and to the port gates, right? So I'm gonna keep on talking here so that you're entertained. Hey, look, a dog. Wow. These guys gave me valuable information. You should buy something from the Nitro bus. Is that a marijuana leaf on there? Anyway, these people look like they might be from around these parts. Let's wait for them to cross. There is a crosswalk, although I've discovered today that maybe the crosswalk doesn't mean that much. The giant I Love Aruba letters are right over there. And so it's a mix of old buildings and new buildings. Everything's brightly colored, though. And Janet, she's brightly colored. By the way, did you know that it's Halloween today? Yes, it's October 31st. And so everyone's dressed in their costumes. Well, almost everyone. So these little colored buildings here, that's the entrance to the port. It's the gauntlet you must run to get back on your ship or to get off your ship. We're going to do this in reverse, and we're going to get back on the ship instead of off. So lots of restaurants, lots of shopping. And I mean, it's all shopping and restaurants. When you get up a block, well, it's shopping and restaurants and government buildings. Museums, an old fort. You might find that interesting. Okay, now they stop. If you are. All right. Drop one. So, this is what I was talking about. I would imagine stuff is more expensive here than it is over there across the street. Because they must have to pay a lot more to be in one of these buildings than across the street in an easy up, basically. Right? I do want you to see this shirt right here. One Happy Island. Don't get up. Hi. Bon mini. Conch shell. Coconut. That says bags $5, a keychain for $1, a magnet for $3. Why are magnets so expensive? Magnets were cheap. We saw them for $4 there in town, and I thought, $4 for a magnet? That seems crazy. Anyway, hi. I think it frightened it. Well, that's our ship, the Regal Princess. There's the Carnival Horizon. There's a Holland America ship and the Free Winds. Remember? The Free Winds measles ship from 4 years ago. It was quarantined right in that spot. But I think it's since been released. So from Oranjestad, Aruba.
I'm Janet.
And I'm Garrett.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Happy Halloween.